In this Webvizio review, I'm going to walk you through the software itself. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So what is actually Webvizio? Webvizio actually helps you collaborate on website revision with features that let you share actionable feedback directly on multiple web pages. You can also add revision directly to your team live website via desktop or mobile. You can also manage project, tasks, and keep track of your team progress. So who's actually suitable for Webvizio? Webvizio is actually suitable for web designer, developer, QA team, digital agency looking to streamline revision for your website project. So without wasting much time, let me jump into the screen to show you Webvizio itself. Before that, in any case, if you want to buy Webvizio, I actually have a link in the description box. Go ahead and use my link. Okay. So right now, let me jump into the review. Okay, so what you're actually looking at is actually the interface of Webvizio. In the center, you can actually add your URL, which you want to do revision, or image as well. Okay, so you can actually see already at one website over here. Let me go into the settings here. Okay, so what you can actually see is you can actually open in a tab. You can actually do project settings. You can actually share the project, or you can actually delete the project over here. So by sharing the project, it's very easy. Click to that, and then the project will be copied to your clipboard. From there, you can actually share. All right. So from settings itself, the project settings, you can actually click into here. I will actually show you the project settings. You can actually change the project names. You can actually allow auto refresh. And for team member, you can actually invite your new team member over here, assign a role. You can add more. Then you actually send invites. So for report itself, you can actually download the task report based on the date and actually download. Activity log, then you can actually see all the activity being done. Okay. Once it's done, you can actually go into the project right now. So by going to project, you're going to look at the top here, project settings, click to this. This is the place where you can actually do your revision of your website itself. All right. So it's very simple. This is actually the website which I actually add in. This is actually my personal website. Okay. So in any case, if you want to change any of the item, you can actually see there's actually a plus icon here. You can actually click into that. So from there, you can actually give a title. Maybe you can just put change the title, and fill up. Maybe you can put a description, fill up more words, stuff like that. Okay, this is a description for demo purposes. All right. So from there, you can actually change the italic. You can actually tag on the person you want to assign to. You can actually tag them, and you can actually add in a file as well. Okay. So you can actually over here, you can actually see the top. There's actually a plus sign. Okay. You can actually add in your team members as well. Okay. So over here, you can actually set a deadline. Okay, you can actually set a deadline over here. Once you just set that, let me just set a deadline, then apply. Then the deadline is actually changed. Then you can actually set the urgency of this. Okay, you can actually set the low, moderate, normal, or high. Let me just set as high. Okay, then from here, once it's done, just press create. So you can actually see the task is actually filled up. Okay, so this one is actually open. You can actually see the dates here. Urgency is under high. Okay, you can actually change it at your end. And then you can actually see the description, change title, fill out more words. Once it's actually done, after a few days, you can actually go into open. You can actually change the status on the open, in progress, or done itself. It's very easy. So over here, you can actually see, you can actually do the browser information. You can actually task screenshot. Okay, you can actually screenshot the task itself. Okay, then you can add in your comments over here, or you can actually add a file. So in that case, if you want to add a comments, you can actually see the add comments here. Okay, so you can actually edit the task. Okay, you can actually change edit the task. Once it's done, just press save change. So it's actually very simple. So moving up, you can actually see, let me just click this away. You can actually see there's a task mode or a browse mode. Okay, right now you can see the arrow is actually a plus sign. So once you go into browse mode, it's actually a finger. It's actually a finger. So you can actually do a task mode or browse mode. All right, so it's very simple. In any case, if you want to add more website to it, you can actually put the plus sign here. Just press plus. Okay, so you can actually immediately upload an image. Let me just upload an image itself here. Okay, just as add. Give that a while. So you can see a new page being created. Okay, this is actually a thumbnail which I did earlier on, or a review. You can also do, maybe you can want to change the word here. You can actually put in title, change words. We change to good review. Okay, So you can, as normal, you can actually put in timeline, put in the urgency, then once you're done, just press create. Okay, another task is actually open up. So right now you can actually see that I have 2 tasks, and in progress is 0. Let me change the status into in progress. Once you press in progress, you can actually see in progress is actually 1. Okay, so it's actually pretty simple, where you can actually do multiple types of revisions. What I'm going to show you next is actually the price itself. This is actually a appsumo module. Okay, so for tier 1 is actually 59. All features include, you actually have 5 user, unlimited projects, unlimited storage. So tier 2, you actually have 10 user. For tier 3, it's actually unlimited user, unlimited project, and unlimited storage. Okay, for tier 2 is 118, for tier 3 is 177. Okay, so for this Webvizio, I actually strongly recommend you to get tier 3. You actually have unlimited user, project, and storage itself. Okay, in any case, if you want to buy this Webvizio, okay, I have a link in the description box. Go ahead and use my link. Okay, so it comes to my end of this Webvizio review. I hope you actually learned something from me. In any case, if you want to watch more software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So till the next review, I will see you. Meanwhile, take care. Goodbye.